Hello everyone, Kuldeep here from Gestisoft. Welcome to a new video on Civio. Today we'll be talking about dashboards as well as how to create and share views in the platform. So if you are new to this channel or to this video or to this product, please make sure to check out the other videos that I've done on Civio. The link will be in the description below. Okay, so let's get into this. As you may know by now, Civio was created on the Microsoft Power Platform. So if you already use Microsoft Dynamics 365, you will be a bit familiar with dashboards and views and how to navigate around that. But nonetheless, it's very interesting to see how this is applied when it comes to managing citizen requests. So whether it is from municipalities or towns in North America. Okay, so right here, as you can see, I'm on the views. So in a way, so if you want to navigate in between the different views, you can click here. So right now I'm looking at my active cases. This is a view that is my default view. And you will see we have so many other views that you can check out. So there's also two type of views when it comes to the Civio platform. The first type is a system view. So this is the automatic view that is created on Civio and that you cannot edit. And then we have my views, which are the views that you have created, and so you can personalize it as you want. And the personalized views or my views will be denoted by this small icon here. So then you know which ones are yours and which one has been created by the platform. So this is a view that I have. Now let's say for this view, you can choose to filter, by the way. So if you click on the title of each column, you will have the filter here, or you can also do the listing by starting with ascending or descending. So you can play around with that. There's also the column width, so you can increase the width of the column so that you see more information. And then what we are going to do, so let's say you want to edit the filters, you also have the option here, edit filters. So once you click on that, you will have access to write the filter that you want to apply for that specific view. So let's say for the active cases, I want to see the case type. Okay, let's say the case type is equal to question, for instance. Then you're going to click applies, but please note you can add other filters as you want here. So once you click on apply, this will create then this new view that you have here for you, and you will be able to see it. And now how you can also manage that is you can click on that and you can click on save as new view. So this becomes a new view and you will see in the name here, so you can rename it if you want to. Just going to put this here and you can also add a description if you want to. Click on save and so you've now created a new view, and if you come into your list you will see here it is right here and it does have this icon because it is a view that you've created so that you can personalize as you wish. And now the other thing that you can do now with this view is you can manage and share it. So you will see here in the option, you have the manage and share views. You can also choose to set it as your default view. And please note that once you do that, this will become your default view only for you and not the rest of the person. You can click on manage and share views and you will see here we have the view here that we want to share. So this is this one, the 2.0. You can click on the three dots here and you will see the option to share. And once you click on that, you will be able to add a new user or team member. You can go ahead and write the name of the person here, or you can click on the magnifying glass to search for a new member. And once you've added that new member, so let's say this member, so you can choose to add multiple users or team members. And once you've done that, you can select one of the member and then you're going to grant them different permissions based on how you want to share this new view with them. So whether you want to give them access to read, write, delete, append, assign, share this view that you are sharing with them. And once you've done that, you will be able to click on share, and that person is going to receive the new view that you've created. Now, another thing that I also wanted to talk about is the edit columns options that we have here. So if you click on the edit columns, this will come here so you can add other field of data into the column that you currently have in this view. So right now, these are the columns that are already in the data. And if you click on add columns, you will see you will have other options that you can choose to add it here. So let's say we want to add, for instance, the process. Okay. So you will see we've selected it and it's already been added here. And you can also move it to place it in the position that you wish to see it in the final view. So let's say we've put it third here. Yeah, then you can click on apply and you will see. So here it is process. It has added this new column for me. So this was a little bit about the views, and this was again very easy, very straightforward. If you use Microsoft Dynamics 365 already, then this is very easy for you and straightforward, and it's really the same steps. Now, the next thing that I wanted to show you was dashboards in Civio. So here on the left, under My Tasks, you will see dashboards. So when you click on the dashboards, so right now, again, this is a system dashboard, and you can create other personal dashboards that you will be able to then modify and personalize. So right now, as you can see, it is a bit similar to the views. You come here and you have a list of all the other dashboards that you can access. Now, let's say we want to create a new dashboard. It's very easy. You can just come up here, click on New, click on Dynamics 365 Dashboards, and you will have the option of setting up a new dashboard. And as you can see, you can choose a different layout for that dashboard, and then you can add the information that you want to see in that dashboard. And you also have the option to share here. So as you can see, we have the option share. So if you click on share, we can share this dashboard via email or even copy the link and send it to someone. And when it comes to your own personal dashboard that you've created, you will have the same option that we look at when it comes to views. So you will have the option of granting different types of permissions or levels of access to the different person that you are sharing the dashboard with. This just completes my overview on dashboards and views in Civio, which is our citizen request management software developed by Gestisoft. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.